Hello students. Today in English we are going to learn about middle sound. In the previous videos we have learnt about beginning sound, ending sound, right children? So today's topic is middle sound. Now you must be thinking, what is a middle sound? A middle sound is the sound you hear in the middle of a word. To understand the concept, let's do a small worksheet. Name each picture and circle the letter for the middle sound. Now see the first example. This is a pen. Pen. What is the middle sound? E. Letter I sound E. E. Pen. This is a cap. 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 What is the middle sound of it? A. A. Which letter sound A? Letter A sound A. Cap. Circle A. This is a bed. 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 What is the middle sound? A. A. Which letter sound A? Letter E sound A. Circle E. Bed. This is a cup. Up. Cup. What is the middle sound? A. Which letter sound A? Letter U sound A. Cup. Circle U. Cup. This is a bus. 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 What is the middle sound? A. Bus. Bus. So which letter sound A? Letter U sound A. Circle U. A. Bus. This is a dog. 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 What is the middle sound? A. Which letter sound A? Letter O sound A. Circle O. A. Dog. This is fox. Fox. Ox. Fox. What is the middle sound? A. Which letter sound A? Letter O sound A. Circle O. A. Fox. This is net. Net. What is the middle sound? A. So which letter sound A? Letter E sound A. Circle E. A. Net. Next question is, identify each picture and say aloud its name. Now write the letter for the middle sound for each. This is a bat. Bat. What is the middle sound? A. Very good. So which letter sound A?
Letter A sound A.
Very good. So write here A. Bat. Bat. This is a red crayon. Red. What is the middle sound?
A.
Very good. Now tell me which letter sound A?
Letter E. Letter E sound A.
Very good. So write here E. Red. Red. This is a kit. Kit. What is the middle sound?
E.
So which letter sound? E.
Letter I sound E.
Very good. So write here I. Kit. Kit. This is top. Top. What is the middle sound?
O.
Good. Now tell me children, which letters sound O?
Letter O sound O.
Very good. So write here O. T O P. Top. Top. This is sun. Sun. What is the middle sound?
O.
Which letter sound A?
Letter U sound O.
Excellent. So write here U. Sun. Sun. This is pan. Pan. What is the middle sound?
A.
Which letter sound A?
Letter A sound A.
Very good. So write here A. P A N. Pan. Pan. This is jet. Jet. What is the middle sound?
E.
Which letter sound E?
Letter E sound E.
Very good. So write here E. J E T. Jet. Jet. This is bin. Bin. What is the middle sound?
E.
Which letter sound E?
Letter I sound E.
Very good. So write here I. Bin. Bin. This is cot. Cot. What is the middle sound?
O.
Which letter sound O?
Letter O sound O.
Very good. So write here O. K-O-T. Cot. Cot. This is a bug. Bug. What is the middle sound?
O.
Which letter sound A?
Letter U sound O.
Very good. So write here U. B-A-G. Bug. Bug. This is fan. Fan. What is the middle sound?
A.
Which letter sound A?
Letter A sound A.
Very good. So write here A. Fan. Fan. See the last picture. This is a tin. Tin. What is the middle sound?
E.
Which letter sound E?
Letter I sound E. E.
Very good. So write here I. Tin. Tin. So children, I hope you understood the concept of middle sound. A middle sound is the sound you hear in the middle of a word. So keep learning.